Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Anaconda is installed and then create an environment. This isolates packages so projects don't conflict. Once done, open a terminal or Anaconda Navigator, create and activate myenv with conda create and conda activate, and install Jupyter if missing. This gets you a reproducible workspace quickly. Make sure kernels match your environment by running Python v. If it's correct, you're ready to launch Jupyter Notebook from Nbgrader or by typing Jupyter Notebook in the activated terminal. You'll see the file browser in your browser. Navigate to your project folder and create a new notebook. Once created, select the kernel that matches myenv so installed packages are available. Use markdown cells to document intent and code cells for runnable steps. Run cells with Shift plus Enter and restart kernel when state is inconsistent. To save time, use keyboard shortcuts, split long tasks into functions, and keep outputs small to prevent slow rendering. If you need packages, pip or conda install in the activated env and restart the kernel. You finish by saving and exporting your notebook in the desired format for sharing use. IPENB or export to HTML/PDF. Make sure to clear large outputs before committing to Git to keep repos small and use environment. IML for reproducibility. If something goes wrong, try restarting the kernel and rerunning cells if the notebook won't start. Check for port conflicts or run Jupyter Notebook port equals 8890. And if a package is missing, install into myenv and restart the kernel. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.